At sunrise, the massive Coca-Cola facility begins its day, a testament to modern manufacturing and global logistics.
Before production begins, every ingredient is carefully tested to ensure it meets strict quality and safety standards.
The analyzer is showing consistent readings.
I see that. The viscosity is within the acceptable range as well.
RO system pressure levels are stable across all membranes.
Good. UV levels are nominal. We are clear for bottling.
The flow rate on the RO membranes looks stable. Yes, but check the conductivity levels on tank 3.
The current measurement is exactly within tolerance.
Yes, the feed rate looks consistent with the schedule.
The automated pumps are maintaining the precise mixture ratio.
Yes, and the flow rate through the pipes is exactly as planned. We are clear for bottling.
Check the viscosity levels on screen 3. Looks within parameters. The blend is stable.
We need to increase the syrup concentration slightly. Adjusting the parameters now. The flow rate should stabilize. This data point here confirms the pressure setting is optimal. Agreed. The consistency is remarkable.
We had a slight fluctuation here on the afternoon shift.
Run the diagnostics again and cross-reference the cap torque data.
The fill levels on the magenta line seem slightly inconsistent right here.
Yes, but still within acceptable parameters according to the new calibration.
The automated inspection on the caps is showing a minor deviation here.
Yes, I've flagged it for review. The fill levels are stable, however.
We have a slight delay on lane 4.
Reroute the next 3 AGVs to lane 7.
AGV 12 is showing a low battery status. Copy that. Rerouting to charging station now.
Make sure the manifest matches the pallet count on truck 7.
Already on it, almost done here. Check the manifest for the deli shipment. We need 2 more pallets of cola on truck 4.
Experience the future, perfectly refreshed.